In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional text in Google Sheets. We'll be focusing on crafting a simple and practical attendance checklist, which will automatically update with the words present or absent based on whether a person has attended an event. This is a straightforward yet incredibly useful tool, especially when managing lists within Google Sheets. First things first. Let's look at how we can set up checkboxes as our triggers for attendance. When it comes to checkboxes, they operate on a binary basis. Essentially, they can only exhibit two states, true or false. Keeping this in mind, we'll be leveraging this binary nature by using the if function to help us determine the presence or absence of an individual. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to have your Google Sheet open with the columns where you'll insert your data. For this example, let's assume you already have checkboxes placed next to each name under an attendance column. These checkboxes will serve as our interactive triggers. Now, to set the if function in motion, you'll want to go to the cell where you'd like your attendance status to appear, right next to your checkboxes. Begin typing out your formula with an equal sign followed by if in capital letters, like this. if. Immediately after, you'll need to point to your checkbox cell. You can do this simply by clicking on the cell where your checkbox resides. Once you've established your data cell, you'll declare the condition by typing an equals sign and the word true. So far, your formula should appear like this. Sin f a1 bound true, where a1 represents your checkbox cell. Next, we type a comma to move on to the value that we want to show if the condition is met, which is if the checkbox is checked or marked as true. In this situation, the person is present, so we type present encased in quotation marks. Make sure to include those quotation marks as they help Google Sheets recognize the words as text. After that, create another comma to move on to the false condition or the unchecked state of the checkbox. Here, we're indicating that if the checkbox is unchecked or remains false, the person wasn't present. Therefore, type absent, also in quotation marks. Your complete formula should look something like this. if a1 true present absent. Finally, hit the Enter key. Once you do this, you'll see the magic happen. Your target cell will dynamically update to show present whenever the checkbox is checked and absent when it's not. Isn't that a simple yet effective way to track attendance? This approach not only helps you easily indicate attendance in a visually comprehensible manner, but also enhances your overall data management strategy within Google Sheets. Feel free to share any questions or feedback, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips and tricks using Google Workspace tools. Happy spreadsheeting!